Is that their restaurant? Hi guys! So this is our food. We have seafood pancit. Try it. Good? Do you like it? Oh, yeah. Kakakain lang namin dun sa Filipino restaurant. We are here in Boot Barn. I like the light. Cars. Wanna try it? So we got him. Hey guys! So ito pala yung view ng aming hotel. Bali sa 9th floor kami. Tapos ito yung makikita namin. Actually, makikita din dito yung pool, but hindi na lang nakuha. Is that their restaurant? We have popcorn.
And then
That's the
breakfast.
Ah, okay. Do we have free breakfast? Do we have free? Hi guys! So, change of plans. Dapat sa hotel lang kami kakain yung mga dinala namin pagkain. But sabi ni Austin, first day naman daw niya, tapos nakakita daw siya ng mga Filipino store dito at Filipino restaurant. So, magta-try kami ng ang pangalan niya is Kabayan Kusina dito sa San Antonio. So, magsisisig kami, pansit, at maybe lumpia. So, papakita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya if ever na matuloy kami. So, yeah.
Right to merge onto US 87 South towards San Antonio. Then keep left to merge onto I-10 East. Go past this exit, then use the right lane to take exit 558 toward De Zavala Road. Use the right.
So, nandito na tayo, guys. It's Filipino. Filipino.
It's actually kind of hot in here.
So this is our food. We have sisig and then pancit. And my husband got iced tea and rice. Try it. Good?
You break this up, right?
Naalala mo dati yan, laki nung nawala.
You like it?
Yeah. Do you like it?
Oo, yan.
Does this remind you of home?
Ano lang yung customer, Alex?
It's a good thing we're eating before we go shopping for shirts. That way I can find a shirt that fits me when I'm like.
Onto La Cosa.
Hi guys! So, kakakain lang namin dun sa Filipino restaurant. All in all, I think it's a good restaurant. We really like the sisig at saka yung pansit. So, yun lang pala yung in-order namin just to try. Tapos, hindi din namin naubos nga dahil, ayun, medyo madami yung serving nila. So, we paid, how much is it? $43 tapos plus tip.
$8 for 2 people to eat, and we took food home, so.
Yeah. So,
okay.
I can eat it tomorrow while Austin is working. So, yeah, ngayon is pupunta kami sa Boot Barn para magtingin ng FR clothing.
Yeah.
FR clothing ni Austin para gamitin niya daw sa Wednesday. So, yeah.
The middle lane.
So, yan siya. It's currently 7:43 in the evening. Not too traffic. Maybe here.
It's not traffic.
Yeah, it's looking good here. I really like San Antonio. Is that a hotel?
Oh no, I was trying to get up there to see. Emergency center.
Oh, so it's a hospital.
Looks like it.
They have HEB.
HEB's like, we've seen like 4 HEBs today.
Yeah. Got Chase there.
Gas is $2.69, still pretty decent.
Yeah. So, yun pala guys. Dahil first day ni Austin, nakakuha siya ng kinuha niya yung kanyang mga work phone. Tapos, meron din siyang work laptop. At guess what ang kanyang phone? Super pretty. By the way, this is iPhone 14.
Yeah.
So fancy! At brand new din siya. So, nice! Good job! Yeah, I really like the color. We're still driving at 7:50. And there's a cup over there. We are here in Boot Barn. Show them. Stops. So, ito pala siya guys. Meron silang pa-gym doon. And then, here goes Austin, who's super tired. Tapos, dito pala ang kanilang pool. So, meron silang maliit na pool dito. Yan, nasa 5th floor kami ngayon. Is this a pool like...
This
or
is
a...
the spa.
Oh... No? So, ayan, ang view. What is it? Did you drop something? No. So, ayan. Spa. Ito ang San Antonio. Ganyan siya. Ito pa ang aming hotel. Let's check here. Yan. Drury Plaza Hotel. Super nice nitong hotel na to, guys. Sabi ni Austin, parang ito yung nicest hotel na we've ever been. So, yun siya. Parang yun ata is mga apartments. Then yun yung yeah? You okay?
Never mind, the light just turned off.
What happened? Oh, to warm it up?
No, I just turned the jets on.
Ah.
But the light just turned off. Clearly, as you're walking up.
So, yun lang kanilang highway. Is that the highway, right?
Yeah, I was right there.
Highway.
It's really nice hotel.
It is. Yeah, I told them that. He told me that this is one of the nicest hotel we've ever been. Tapos, guys, meron silang, hindi namin sure kung ano bang meaning ng kickback. If pag umorder ba kami ng pagkain, pag dinner is meron silang pa-free drinks
Yeah, free
at
drinks.
night? Or...
3 free drinks every night.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like, do we have to like buy food from them before,
I don't
after?
know.
Nagpunta din pala kami sa Jollibee kanina. Have fried chicken, tapos 2 rice. Meron kaming rice cooker dito. But, ayun, bukas, dinamihan namin yung bili namin. Meron kaming 10-piece na chicken para bukas, mabaon niya. Tapos, makain ko din dito sa hotel. Tapos, magsasaing na lang ako ng rice namin. So, are you ready to go? Yeah. Guys, bye-bye!